I highly suggest that you never say that to another person, that she is being dramatic. Yeah, this is Aaron from Social Work. I'm calling about a prior authorization for in vitro fertilization that you approved and then retroactively denied after treatment started. It looks like on November 3rd, you issued an approval for one full IVF cycle with embryo creation and storage. And then on December 28th, in the middle of her stimulation meds, you sent a new letter saying that the approval was issued in error and that IVF is not a covered benefit. So just to be clear, you greenlit the cycle. She bought and injected thousands of dollars of medication, took time off work, had blood work and ultrasounds done. And after all of that, now you've decided, oops, never mind, we actually don't need to cover this. I understand you're reading me a policy that says IVF is excluded. You didn't just deny a fresh request, you approved it in writing. She has the authorization number, the dates, the coverage description, her clinic confirmed with your team before ordering these meds. She made a medical and financial decision based on your written approval. She started the hormone injections. She dealt with the brutal side effects. She's rearranged everything from her work and home life. Now she's emotionally invested in the cycle that you're now trying to not cover. You don't get to pull the rug out mid-cycle on her. It may be an error, but you're going to eat this error. I hear you saying the system incorrectly auto-approved the case. From her perspective, that's not a system error, that's a promise. And it has consequences. She literally would not have started this process had you not sent her an approval letter. So she's not being dramatic. You literally changed the rules halfway through the game. I want you to reinstate the original PA for the IVF cycle, at minimum covering all services and medications that you've already initiated under written approval. And then secondly, if you insist IVF is generally excluded, you still have a responsibility not to induce a member to begin the high-cost, high-risk treatment course. This was under a false approval. There has to be a concept of reliance and fairness here.